back to day 2 of week 3 as we talk about heat transfer. My name is Andrea Bryant. So before we go and review our day 1 videos and talk about our day 2 activities, I would like for us to discuss some heat transfer vocabulary. Conduction is heat transfer through touch. So when you touch a spoon to the stove, or you put your spoon in your hot food after warming it up in the microwave, or when you touch your spoon to ice cream and it melts, that is all conduction. Heat transfer by convection is transferred through the movement of fluids, such as gas or liquid. So when it's the summertime and the hot air is moving around outside, you get hotter. That is convection. Or when we're cooking pasta, that is also convection. Radiation is transferred through electromagnetic radiation. So when you cook your food in the microwave, microwaves are a type of electromagnetic radiation. And also when you have the sun rays touch your skin and you feel warm, that is also radiation. So our first video was cooking bacon and eggs in the sun. In that video, the eggs and bacon were being cooked by radiation from the sun. So that was radiation heat transfer. In the second video, the cooking boiled eggs, we saw eggs being cooked through convection. The boiling water moved heat through and around the eggs, but it also showed conduction, transfer from the hot plate to the pot, and then convection allowed the heat to transfer from the boiling water into the eggs. Video 3, which was roasting marshmallows, showed how marshmallows can be roasted using radiation. Fire gives off infrared radiation that helps to roast our marshmallows and make them good for s'mores. Our day 2 activities include 3 Nearpods. You can go to this Nearpod by going to join.nearpod.com and using the code FDSLN. Here's what it looks like. So when you go into the session, you need to put in your name, click join session, and then you will see heat transfer convection, which is the first Nearpod. As you go through it, it has objectives, it has information about the heat transfer, and it has activities that you can complete at your own pace with definitions and videos. So now let's take a look at our second Nearpod. Heat transfer radiation. You can go to this one by going to join.nearpod.com and use the code QFPHI. Let's see what it looks like. Again, type your name and click join session. And then you can do the same thing. You go through, you click the different parts of the Nearpod. It has videos, it has objectives, it has polls, it has interactive activities for you to participate in. Our last Nearpod for day 2 is heat transfer conduction. Again, type your name in, click join session, and then you have all the same information as before. It includes open-ended questions, other activities, definitions, videos, and things for you to enjoy as you learn. In order to go to this one, you need to go to join.nearpod.com and use the code PUQJK. So what about our activities from day one? So if you did the hand rubbing activity and the soap and water activity, think about how heat transfer was happening and why. I would say think about these questions after you look at the Nearpods. So your day 3 activities include a heat transfer crash course video. It is included in the lesson document. I will show you a brief portion of it so you can see what it looks like.
Whether you're heating up leftovers from last night or just trying to stay cool in the summer, heat transfer is everywhere. In some ways, the world is literally built around it. Any well-engineered building is designed and made out of materials that help keep the inside of the building at a good temperature.
So when you watch that video, it goes with or it complements our engineering challenge that you guys have as an optional activity for day 3. So the last thing for day 3 will be a heat transfer quizzes. The link will be provided on the lesson document. I'm going to take a second to show you what that looks like. The physical science lesson, week 3, includes all of our activities, and I showed you this on day 1. It includes the links for the videos that we looked at on day 1, a link to the observation notebook if you chose not to use notebook paper, the heat transfer hands-on activities, the Nearpod links are there, or you can use the website and the code, our review questions from day 1, and then the links to the crash course video and the heat transfer quizzes. The optional engineering challenge information is also included with the materials that you need and the directions. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you next time.